Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this loading bar animation on CapCut PC. So I'm going to go to library and I'm going to select a color in background. You can select any color that you want. I'm just going to select this pink one, kind of pink one. And I'm just going to rotate that. First, I'm going to mask it with the rectangle, and I'm just going to make it like into a loading bar first. Then I'm going to right click, create compound clip, select rectangle again, and reverse that. And I'm going to make like a, like a bar here where the loading thing will go. Then I'm going to select this color, and I'm going to basically do the same thing. Do the rectangle first, and then I'm going to add that on here. Right click, create compound clip. Okay, make sure it's like, hold on, I haven't made sure before I did the compound clip that it was over a second. So make sure to do that first. I don't know why it's like really short. There we go. Sorry about that. Let me just do that again real quick. Create compound clip, rectangle, reverse that. Create a loading bar, and then I'm going to add this one on top. Again, creating that bar here. Right click. Whoops, I think that I went a little bit too far. Create compound clip. Then I'm going to select the horizontal one, and I'm going to rotate it this way. Go to basic, add a keyframe, and like kind of at the end or wherever. Grab the mask and place it all the way to the right. Where is that even keyframe? Sorry, I don't know why the keyframe isn't here. Let me just add that first here, and then here I'm going to add the keyframe over there. There we go. And if you want it slower, just make it more separate, like more far from each other. Then I'm going to go to text here, and I'm just going to type in loading. You can also change the font if you'd like to. Just gonna do that real quick. Let's use this cute one. Then I'm going to go to animation here, and I'm going to select the loop one, I think. And I'm going to select the flash one, and I'm going to adjust the speed of it as well. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!